A very good morning to all of you students. So today in chemistry class we will revise chapter number 5, that is coal and petroleum, by means of an assignment. Okay, we will discuss some important questions from the chapter. So let's start. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part is the resources that are formed from the dead remains of living organisms are known as dash. The resources which are formed from the dead remains. We have learned while doing the chapter the resources, the fuels which are made by dead remains, dead vegetation, dead plants and animals. Their dead remains are known as, what are they known as? They are known as fossil fuels. So the answer for this is fossil fuels. Fossils are the dead remains of plants and animals. When they decompose, they decompose over a long period of time, they form fossil fuels. Okay. Now B part is the process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. The process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called, what is it called? We know that all the dead vegetation under high temperature and high pressure gets converted into coal. Okay. So coal is made up of carbon. So this process is called, what it is called? It is called carbonization. So the process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. Understood? Okay. So the next part is process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is known as dash. The process of separating different constituents from petroleum to obtain useful products. This is called refining of petroleum or petroleum refining. So the process of separation of constituents from the petroleum is known as, petroleum refining. Okay. So the process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is known as petroleum refining. Understood? Okay. So now question number 2 is name the following. A part is the product of coal which is almost pure form of carbon. In which product of the coal maximum amount of carbon is found? In which product of coal maximum amount of carbon is found? It is coke. So the correct answer is coke, because it is a character of coke. Coke is almost the pure form of carbon. Okay. Now B part, a product from petroleum refining that is used for surfacing of roads. The product which is obtained from petroleum refining and it is used in surfacing of roads, means it is used for surfacing, leveling the roads. What is it? What is the name of the product? It is bitumen. Okay. The correct answer, the product which is used for surfacing of roads is bitumen. Okay. Now the next part is C part, a less polluting or cleaner fuel. A fuel which is less polluting and it is also known as a cleaner fuel. What is the answer? The answer is CNG, compressed natural gas. It is a cleaner fuel, it is a less polluting fuel. Now D part is a place where world's first oil well was drilled. The world's first oil well, where was it drilled? The answer is Pennsylvania, USA. The place where world's first oil well was drilled is Pennsylvania, USA. Now next E part is black gold. Which product is known as black gold? It is petroleum. Why petroleum is known as black gold? Because from petroleum we obtained various useful products like bitumen, paraffin wax, kerosene, okay, which are of great commercial importance. They are used in various industries, various fields. They are used in various fields. Okay, so black gold, that is why petroleum is also known as black gold. Okay. Okay, now question number 3 is expand the following. We have to give the full forms of the following. So A part is CNG. What is the full form of CNG? It is compressed natural gas. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Okay. Now B part is LPG. What is the full form of LPG? It is liquefied petroleum gas. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Now next is PCRA. What is the full form of PCRA? It is petroleum conservation research association. The full form of PCRA is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Okay, so the full form of CNG is compressed natural gas, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, and PCRA is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Okay, got it? Now we will move on to question number 4. Define petroleum refining. As we have learned while doing the fill in the blanks, petroleum refining is the process of separation. Petroleum refining is the process of separation of constituents of petroleum. The process of separation of different constituents of petroleum to obtain useful products. To obtain useful products is known as petroleum refining, and it is done in refineries, petroleum refineries. The process of separation of different constituents of petroleum or different fractions of petroleum in petroleum refinery, it is known as refining of petroleum or petroleum refining.